Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today this video is about refined oils and why should never eat them in our day-to-day cooking. It's not consuming only directly, or it's not using refined oils in our cooking. So in this video I'm gonna explain how unhealthy using refined oils. This refined oils, at the time of extraction or at the time of purifying this refined oils, they're using lot of chemicals to refine this oil. So our cooking oils are, most of all the brands in UAE or anywhere, even in India, anywhere we can see that all these are refined oils. So refined oils are very unhealthy. So in India it is legally, they have given a license for the food companies or the oil companies to manufacture the oils. That's how the food companies or oil companies, they are supplying refined oils for the society. So if they want to change, they have to change. If they want to give very good health to society, then they have to change the oil. But unfortunately that is not at all possible, because they don't want to stop their business. So friends, being we are consumers, so in our day-to-day cooking, so which oil is best for us to use? So I found my best oil for my cooking, for my family to serve, so which is wood pressed gold oil. So I'm gonna show you very soon. Before that, so let's check about the refined oils. Friends, refined oils are in the supermarket we see lot of brands. There's so many brands. You can see there is multi brands. I don't want to take their names, but I can see a lot of brands, and all the brands are we are getting it cheaper price, one thing, and secondly all those oils are refined oils. Friends, when you're using your refined oils in your cooking, so it is like a slow poison adding up to your body. It is keep adding every day. When you start consuming your refined oil, then it is keep adding a slow poison. It's like a slow poison. It's going to your body, and your it is just giving you like side effect like diabetes, early aging, and then infertility issues, and then high blood pressure or cholesterol problems or heart problem, like that. So in our day to day, sometimes we face arthritis problem very early in the age. So friends, here I want to recommend you all, I've been through a lot of research on oils. Finally I found that oil, and I'm happy and I'm glad to share that oil with you. If you're staying in UAE based, then you have to go for it, because that oil is it's very fresh, natural way of extraction, and they're not adding any kind of chemicals. It is completely wood pressed oil. I myself personally been to that place. I have seen the way they extract. It is really healthy way, and there is no heat is there is no such chemicals is added. It's naturally they are extracting, and they are serving their best for the society. And this is one way they all are focusing to give the people to take care of their health. I want to recommend you all, that is Al Shams wood cold pressed oil. Friends, I'm using this oil since 4 months, and I know the difference when I'm using refined oils, when I'm using wood pressed cold oil, because this is very healthy, and it is not unnecessary the fat is adding in my body. When I'm using this oil, refined oils, for my when I'm cooking special biryani, or when I'm cooking any kind of curries, or when I'm cooking dosas or any recipes, like even the sabjis, veggies or non-veg, I have to add more oil. And already to get the good taste, we add more oil. So we all of us knows that if any food is cooked in the oil, it gives more taste. So that is nothing but it is like we are spoiling our health. But after changing my oil, like after I stopped using this refined oil, I take this wood pressed cold oil. That is I can see the difference, I can see the, when there is a food is being cooked with a wood pressed oil, how much it is giving me the taste, and how much the food taste means very real, not with like with the refined oil. There's lot of difference between the food is cooked with refined oil and natural fresh extracted oil. So here I want to recommend you, if you are based on UAE, please you have to go for this oil. This is very important because they're extracting oil. This is very naturally, and there is no chemicals added here. See, you can see that.
They do have 100% pure, 100% fresh, and it is natural, and it is also free from petrochemicals. This is a very healthy oil. You can try it for your daily cooking. Also, they have different varieties of coconut oil, sesame seeds, almond oil, and then again groundnut oil. Then they do have olive oil as well. These all very fresh, natural way of extraction. Please do try. Friends, I hope you like this oil. This is the best oil. Like, if we think about our health, this is the best oil to consider for our daily cooking. So friends, thank you so much for your great support, and please do share this video with all your friends and family members if they are based on UAE, so that they can definitely go for it, and they might be literally in need of this. So that's all for the today video, and friends, see you again in the next video. So please do support me by subscribing the channel. Thank you for your great support. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.